Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to track the conversion tracking codes in Google Ads. So for this you have to go to the start button, then you have to simply type in the Chrome, and once you're in the Chrome you have to just simply type in the Google Ads in the search bar and then choose the first option from here, and from here you will get the option of sign in and start now. So first say you'd like to go for the sign in option, and then what is the next step is it will simply take you to this page, and from here you have to just simply click on the goals icon, and from here you have to just simply click on the summary, then you have to scroll down. And here you have to just simply click on the create conversion action from here. And from here you have to just simply click on the phone calls. After that you have to just simply click on the calls from ads using call assets or call ads. Then you have to just simply click on continue. And from here the goal and action optimization, just click on the phone call lead and give a random name of the conversion name, and then just scroll below. Here in the value option you have to choose the use the same value for each conversion, and then scroll again below. And here in the count option you have to just choose the one option from here, and then just simply click on the create and continue, and after that it will simply take you to the next page. And once you're in the tag setup option from here, in the next page just choose the use Google Tag Manager from here, just simply click on it, and then it will simply take you to this page, and then simply click on next, and after that it will simply do the conversion rate for that tracker. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.